Alright, let's talk about CRMs. Choosing a CRM can feel like you are lost in an ocean, right? So many options and all of them look the same. It feels confusing. But don't worry, think of this as a simple roadmap to help you find the right CRM for your business. Okay, let's start. Why is this even a bigger deal? See this number. 91% of business with 10 or more employees are already using a CRM software. So, it's not just some extra tool now. It has become very important for business growth. So, what is a CRM exactly? CRM means customer relationship management. You can think of it like brain of your business or the central system that controls everything. It is a mix of strategy and technology used to manage every interaction with your customers. To make things simple, we are breaking this into 5 steps. We will cover why you need a CRM, how to understand your requirements, what to ask vendors, how to calculate the real cost, and finally how to make sure it doesn't fail. So first steps, why you even need a CRM in the first place. And trust me, it is not just about buying software. It is about changing how you connect with your customers. A modern CRM is much more than a digital contact book. It is a central place where your sales, marketing and support teams all work together. It helps you organize customer data, understand insights and take action to build strong relationships. Now comes the most important step, understanding what you need. Even the best CRM is useless if it doesn't solve your business problem. This is where your success starts. First, decide who will be part of this process. Then, set clear goals. What exactly do you want to achieve? And very important, talk to your team who will actually use it daily. Their input will help you to create a feature list and estimate a rough budget also. That feature list is very important. You have to separate must-have features and nice-to-have features. Must-haves are non-negotiable. Check if it works with your existing tools like Google or Microsoft. Is it easy for your team to use? Is support available when something goes wrong? Then comes nice-to-have features like AI or marketing tools. These are good to have but not critical. Getting this step right can make a big difference between the success and failure. Now you have your checklist. Next step is talking to your vendors. This is where you must ask the right questions. It's not just about the features or price. It is about finding the right partner. First, understand implementation and the support. How will they take you from your current setup to the new system? Understand their setup process very clearly. This shows if they have proper experience. Ask what support is included. Also, what they need from your IT team. Next, cost and the flexibility. Understand clearly what is included in the monthly cost and what is not. Ask about hidden costs like setup, training or the support. Also check if the system can be customized for your business. Very important. Ask for a demo or trial. If they don't provide a demo or trial, it is a big warning sign. Now this brings us to the next steps, hidden cost. To avoid regretting your CRM or ERP investment later, don't just look at the price. You must consider total cost of ownership, which includes full cost from setup to long-term maintenance. TCO is the total cost you will spend during the full life of the system. Many times TCO shows big difference between the initial price and actual long-term cost. It includes installation, configuration, customization, training, staff costs, maintenance, support, and even sometimes the hardware also if needed. All this cost adds up quickly. Once you choose the system and understand the real cost, the most important step is making sure your team actually uses it properly. Now here is something important, almost 1/3 of CRM project fail. That means a lot of time and money and effort gets wasted. But you can avoid this. Most failures happen because basics are not done properly, like unclear goals and also understanding the real problem. It also fails when there is no proper plan, no training, or when teams don't work together. Use this as a checklist of what to avoid. And remember, Even with good planning, some problems will come. As Richard Branson said, setbacks are not failures, they are just lessons. So, before we finish, here is one important question. What is the number one problem you want your CRM to solve? If you can answer that honestly, you have already taken the most important step.